Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Starting with the great name of the Allah. Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to the physics grade 9 chapter number 2 kinematics written work explanation. Today is 26th of April 2020. In our previous lecture we done up to the conceptual question number 6. Now coming towards the question number 7. Conceptual question number 7. Question number 7 is, give proper heading of the question. Number 7. Can an object have northward velocity and a southward acceleration? Explain. Give the heading of the answer in capital letter. Yes, an object can have a northward velocity and a southward acceleration. Consider a situation in which a driver is driving a vehicle in northward direction. When he applies brakes, the negative acceleration will be produced due to the decreasing velocity. In this case, the direction of the acceleration is opposite to the direction of the motion of the vehicle, such that acceleration is southward. Therefore, the vehicle is traveling northward and the acceleration is southward. This is the question number 7. Now, moving towards the question number 8. Give proper heading of the question. Question number 8. As a free falling object speed up, what is happening to its acceleration? Does it increase, decrease or stay the same? After the question, give properly the heading of the answer. Underline it properly. Answer is, in the absence of the air resistance, it is found that all bodies at the same location above the earth fall vertically due to the same acceleration. Furthermore, if the distance of the fall is small compared to the radius of the earth, the acceleration can be considered constant throughout its fall. This was the question number 8. Now moving towards the question number 9. Give properly the heading of the question number 9. Underline it properly. A ball is thrown upward with an initial speed of 5 meters per second. What will be its speed when it returns to starting point? Answer. Give the heading of the answer. When a ball is thrown upward with an initial speed of the 5 meters per second, then in the absence of the air resistance, as there will be no loss in energy of the ball, therefore the ball will return to its starting point with the same speed of the 5 meters per second. This was the last question, conceptual question number 9. After the conceptual questions, give properly the heading of the example of chapter number 2. Example 2.1. Give the heading example number 2.1. Underline it properly. In the Genesis gastropods, write down the question completely from the book. Now coming towards the answer, give the heading. Given data, distance covered is equal to 330 millimeter. Distance covered is equal to 330 millimeter को convert कर दे मीटर में. 330 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. It is equal to 0.330 meter. Total time is equal to 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 multiplied by 60 plus 20 seconds is equal to 140 seconds. Required is speed v. Answer formula plus solution. As we know that average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time, so average v is equal to s by t. Equation number A. Putting the values in equation number A, average v is equal to 0.330 meter divided by 140 seconds. Therefore average v is equal to 0.0024 meter per second. So answer is average speed is equal to 0.024 meter per second. Give properly, write down the complete answer, spelling of the answer. Now coming towards the example number 2.2. A straight track is 1200 meter in length. Find the average velocity and the average speed. Write down the complete example from the book. Given data is distance covered is equal to 1200 meter plus 600 meter is equal to 1800 meter. Displacement delta s is equal to total distance minus half distance. 1200 minus 600 is equal to 600 meter. Time is 5 minutes. 5 multiplied by 60 second is equal to 300 second. Required is average speed and average velocity. Formula plus solution. As we know that average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Average v is equal to s by t. This is equation number A. Putting the value in equation number A, delta v is average v is equal to 1800 divided by 300 meter per second is equal to 18 divided by 3 meter per second. So average v is equal to 6 meter per second. Average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Average v is equal to s divided by t. Putting values in equation number B, average v is equal to 600 meter divided by 300 second is equal to 6 divided by 3 meter per second. Average v is equal to 2 meter per second. Answer is average speed is equal to 6 meter per second and average velocity is equal to 2 meter per second. Towards the east. Example number 2.3. You observe that what is the acceleration of the car. Write down the complete question from the book. Given data, initial velocity vi is equal to 0 kilometer per hour. It is equal to 0 meter per second. Final velocity is equal to 140 kilometer per hour. 140 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600 seconds. 140 multiplied by 10 meter divided by 36. So 1400 meter divided by 36 second is equal to 38.88 meter per second. Total time elapsed is equal to 17.6 seconds. Required is acceleration A. Formula plus solution. As we know that acceleration is equal to del v divided by del t, change in velocity divided by change in time. A is equal to del v divided by del t. Equation number A. Putting the value in equation number A is equal to 38.9 meter per second divided by 17.6 seconds. A is equal to 2.2 meter per second square. Answer is acceleration A is equal to 2.2 meter per second. Example number 2.4. A car increases its speeds from 0 to 25 meter per second in 10 seconds. Then it moves with the uniform speed for the next 30 seconds and then the driver apply brakes and the speed of the car decreases uniformly to 0 in the next 5 seconds. The graph is plotted for the journey. Use this graph to calculate magnitude of acceleration in first 10 seconds, from 10 seconds to 40 seconds in last 5 seconds and total distance covered. Average speed of the car for a whole journey is. This is the diagram for the question. This is given data. Required is magnitude of the acceleration in first 10 seconds, from 10 seconds to 40 seconds in last 5 seconds. Total distance covered, length, average speed of the car for whole journey. Formula plus solution. As we know that slope of the speed time graph gives acceleration. So from graph, slope is equal to del v divided by del t, or A is equal to Vf minus Vi divided by del t. For first 10 seconds, OA line represent the slope. So Vf is equal to 25 meter per second, Vi is equal to 0 meter per second and del t is equal to 10 seconds. Putting these values in equation number A is equal to 25 minus 0 divided by 10. Acceleration is equal to 2.5 meter per second. From 10 seconds to 40 seconds, the slope is represented by the line AB. So from the graph, Vi is equal to 25 meter per second, Vf is equal to 25 meter per second, del t is equal to 40 seconds minus 10 seconds, del t is equal to 30 seconds. Putting these value in equation number A is equal to 25 minus 25 divided by 30. A is equal to 0 divided by 30. So acceleration in this case is 0. In last 5 seconds, Vi is equal to 25 meter per second, Vf is equal to 0 meter per second, del t is equal to 45 minus 40. So delta t is equal to 5 seconds. Putting these values in equation number A is equal to 0 minus 25 divided by 5. So A is equal to minus 25 divided by 5. A is equal to minus 5 meter per second. Finding total distance. Total distance covered is equal to the area under the speed time graph. Total distance is equal to area of the figure OABC, as OABC is a trapezium, so use the formula for the area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to sum of the parallel sides multiplied by height divided by 2. Putting these values from the graph, S is equal to 45 plus 30 divided by 2 multiplied by 25. S is equal to 75 multiplied by 25 divided by 2. S is equal to 1875 divided by 2. S is equal to 75 multiplied by 25 divided by 2. S is equal to 1875 divided by 2. So S distance is equal to 937.5 meter. Next one, last one is the average speed. Average speed is given by the average V is equal to total distance divided by total time. Here we find the total distance, that is equal to 937.5 meter divided by total time, that is 45 seconds. Average V is equal to 937.5 divided by 45 seconds. It gives the answer average V is equal to 28.8 meter per second. Example number 2.5. A motorcyclist starts from rest and moves with the uniform acceleration of 1.9 meter per second for 22 seconds. Find velocity and the distance covered. Given data is initial velocity is equal to 0 meter per second, acceleration A is equal to 1.9 meter per second, and total time is equal to 22 seconds. Required is final velocity, Vf, and total distance. Formula plus solution is to find the final velocity. We use first equation, Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Putting values, Vf is equal to 0 plus 1.9 multiplied by 20. Vf is equal to 0 plus 41.8, so Vf is equal to 41.8 meter per second. Second one is to find the distance covered. We use second equation of the motion, S is equal to Vit plus half At square. Putting the values, S is equal to initial velocity 0, time is 22 second, half multiplied by acceleration is 1.9 meter per second, and time is 22 second whole square. S is equal to 0 plus half 1.9484. So S is equal to half multiplied by 919.6. So S is equal to 459.8 meter. Answer: the final velocity of the motorcyclist is 41.8 meter per second, and distance traveled by motorcyclist is 459.8 meter. Example number 2.6. A Boeing 777 length required. Write down the complete question from the book. Given data is initial velocity Vi is equal to 0 km per hour is equal to 0 meter per second. Final velocity is equal to 295 km per hour and is equal to 81.9 meter per second. Acceleration is equal to 2.80 meter per second square. Required is distance S, conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second. 295 km per hour is equal to 295 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 60 multiplied by 60. It gives us 295,000 divided by 3600 seconds, 81.9 meter per second. This is not given, so we will use the third equation of the motion. 2as is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. S is equal to Vf square minus Vi square divided by 2a. Putting the values, S is equal to final velocity is 81.9 meter per second whole square. Initial velocity is 0, 2 multiplied by 2.80 meter per second. S is equal to 6707.61 meter square per second square, 5.6 meter per second square. So S is equal to 1197.78 meter is the answer. The length of the runway is 1197.78 meter. Example number 2.7 is a stone is dropped from and strikes the water. This is the example number 2.7. Write down complete example questions from the book. Given data is time t is equal to 3.2 second, initial velocity is 0 meter per second, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, required is height h, final velocity Vf, formula plus solution. First we find the height by using second equation of the motion. H is equal to Vit plus half gt square. Putting in equation number 1, h is equal to 0 meter per second multiplied by 3.2 plus half 9.8 multiplied by 3.2 second. 3.2 plus half 9.8 multiplied by 3.2 second. H is equal to 50.176 meter. Rounding off, it gives us 50 meter. Final velocity Vf by using first equation of the motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus gt. Putting the values, Vf is equal to 0 plus 9.8 multiplied by 3.2. Vf is equal to 9.8 multiplied by 3.2. Final velocity is 31.36 meter per second. Rounding off the correct significant figure, it gives us the final velocity is 31 meter per second. Height of the bridge from the water is 50 meter and the velocity of the stone when it strikes the water is 31 meter per second. These are the example of the chapter number 2, kinematics. Now after the example, write down the heading. Write down the heading. Assignments problem. In 2009, a Jamaican sprinter using Usain Bolt created world record in Berlin by running 100 meter in 9.58 seconds. What is his average speed? Given data is total distance covered is equal to 100 meter. Total time taken is 9.58 seconds. Required is average speed. Formula plus solution. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Average v is equal to s by t. Putting the values. Average v is equal to 100 meter divided by 9.58 seconds. So average v is equal to 10.43 meter per second. Answer is average speed. Average v is equal to 10.43 meter per second. Assignment number 2.2. A runner makes one lap around a 270 meter circular track in 30 seconds. What is his average speed and average velocity? Given data is total distance s is equal to 270 meter. Total time t is equal to 30 seconds. Required is average speed and average velocity. Formula plus solution. Average speed, it is given by average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Average v is equal to s by t. Putting the values, 270 divided by 30 seconds. Average v is equal to 27 divided by 3. Average v is equal to 9 meter per second. Average velocity, it is given by average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Average v is equal to s by t. Putting the values, total displacement is 0 because it is a circular track and initial and final point is same, so the displacement is 0. Average v is equal to 0 divided by 30, so average v velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. Answer is average speed is equal to 9 meter per second and average velocity is 0 meter per second. 2.3 assignment number 2.3. If in the same experiment you take the reading of the speed meter of the car as 20 km in 4 seconds and 32 km per hour in 9th second, what is the acceleration of your car in this interval? Given data is speed in the 4th second vi is equal to 20 km per hour. किलोमीटर पर आवर को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मीटर पर सेकंड में 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 3600 पे डिवाइड करना है, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 5.55 मीटर per second. Speed in 9 seconds is 32 km per hour divided by 32 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600 seconds. It gives us 8.8 meter per second. Required is time duration is 5 seconds. Required is acceleration during this interval. A हमने फाइंड करना है फार्मूला प्लस सोल्यूशन. एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन वेलोसिटी डिवाइडेड बाय चेंज इन टाइम. ए इज इक्वल टू डेल वी डिवाइडेड बाय डेल टी. वी एफ माइनस वी आई डिवाइडेड बाय डेल टी. एवरेज ए इज इक्वल टू 88.8 माइनस 5.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. ए इज इक्वल टू 3.33 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. ए इज इक्वल टू 0.33 0.667 meter per second square. Acceleration A is equal to 0.667 meter per second square. In our today lecture, we done the examples and assignment up to the assignment number 2.3. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we will do the remaining assignments and the numerical questions of the exercise. Thank you so much.